Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. So you just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Play Store app, or just click on search. Then here add Play Store app, it's going to show for you. So add here Play Store app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.